In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PayPal to your Wix website, a task that might seem daunting at first, but is actually quite straightforward when you break it down into simple steps. By the end of this guide, you'll have successfully integrated PayPal, allowing you to smoothly handle transactions right on your site. To kick things off, start by heading over to the Wix website editor. This is your main hub for making all changes and customizations on your site. Once you're in the editor for My Site 1, look towards the upper area of your workspace and find the plus icon. Clicking on this is the crucial first step in adding new elements to your site. After engaging with the plus icon, you'll see a range of options unfold before you. What you want to do next is hover over the button section. This is where we'll be diving deeper to find that all-important PayPal integration. Don't rush, just rest your cursor over the button section and you'll soon spot our next focus, PayPal buttons. Now once you're looking at PayPal buttons, click on it to reveal more choices. This step might sound simple, and it is, but it's important to ensure you're selecting the right type of button for what you need. Moving forward, click on PayPal Buy. Selecting this will allow you to create a button specifically designed for facilitating purchases through PayPal, making the buying process seamless for your customers. With that button chosen, the next step is to add your PayPal information. You'll see an option to add PayPal info. Click on this. You'll need to provide specific details so the transactions can be processed correctly. One of the first things you'll be prompted to enter is your PayPal email. Be sure this is accurate because this is where your payments will be directed. Following this, you'll need to specify what the product is called. Being clear and concise here helps your customers know exactly what they're purchasing. After naming your product, you'll move on to setting the price. Make sure it matches the pricing you currently use across your platforms to maintain consistency. Next, you'll have to determine and select the currency for the transaction. This is especially important if you're dealing with an international audience. Choose the currency that aligns with your primary customer base or the one you most frequently transact in. Lastly, there's an option to add an ID number for your product. While not mandatory, this feature can be incredibly useful for tracking purposes, especially if you're managing multiple products. Following these steps, you should have successfully added PayPal to your Wix site. With everything set up, you're ready to offer your customers an easy and trusted way to make purchases on your website. Happy selling?